So my other option is, if I'm struggling with that, is to align that edge and go from there. Okay, so we're gonna go with that direction. All right, now here's the problem. I'm doing it like this. I've got this big area. I'm gonna bridge that. If I bridge that, it's gonna cause it to pop out eventually. We don't want that to happen. So what we're going to do is we're going to get it all in. We're gonna give ourselves our temporary hinge right there. Peel that back. And then use that squeegee to feed it in instead of bridge it over. Okay. This is an area that post wrap you may still need to trim just to give it a place to go. Okay, we're gonna go across here. And then on. All right. Okay. So for this piece, we're going to be lining up that edge. We want it to match up really closely there. Okay, we're gonna line that up, but we're not gonna worry about that too much right now. It's just mostly for show. The next place that I really want it to go is down here. Go. Okay, I want this to align really well along that edge and along this edge and along there. So you're gonna see there's a little bit of a bubble right there. And what I'm gonna end up doing is I'm going to go down here and then I'm gonna address that in a few minutes. So. Using our overlapping strokes so we don't get any bubbles. This is acts kind of almost like an air egress, so you won't get quite as many anyways. We're gonna peel this up right here, because if I don't, I'm gonna get a wrinkle. Okay, and then from there, give it in, make sure it's all down. All right,